So I'm the proprietor of Oasis Project. My factory is located in IMT Faridabad, and we are into the sheet metal business for the last 12 years. We are using the SLTL machine since September 2019. Recently, I have purchased the second machine, 3 kilowatt machine. Basically, we have purchased the second machine based on the performance of the first machine. We are extremely happy with the machine and the service support which we are getting regularly from the SLTL. Initially, I got to know about SLTL from one of your customers. He gave us the contact details of your sales team, and then we did an internal survey and we find that we should go ahead with this machine. One of the main things which I like about it is it's an Indian machine and we get the good service support from it. Basically, we are into the telecom business and we produce the BTS mechanical side of the telecom business. We basically produces IP65 boxes for the BTS which is required into the telecom business. So for that accuracy, for maintaining the accuracy of IP65 rating, we need an accurate laser cutting so that we get a perfect matching for the welding process. We achieve that in the SLTL laser. In terms of productivity, in 3 kilowatt machine, we are getting a very good productivity in comparison to the earlier one. If we compare both the machines, the productivity of 3 kilowatt machine is almost 40% higher than the first one. First machine we have purchased in September 2019, second we have purchased in June 2024. The average running of both the machines is somewhere around 20 hours per day. After sales service is like if we find anything, if there is a complaint in the machine and we log the complaint, in normal days the complaint is returned in 24 hours. And if there is any part needed, then it is procured at a very good time. The response time is quite good. In consistency, the machine is quite good. Otherwise, we don't face any problem. Apart from the chiller, we don't face any problem. Your sales team is quite good. They can sell anything. To be frank with you, I haven't met any management team with you. I have only met the sales team and the service team. So they are functioning quite good. It's a good company. The product is good. They are working very good on the quality and they are improving day to day. We have find a far better quality in the second machine in comparison to the first machine. Hope so. They keep on doing that.